Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Pawan Kumariam from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Presently, I am pursuing my CSc in SVCE. Today, we're gonna discuss on the topic TCP/IP protocol security problems and defenses. The main agenda of this slide is we're gonna discuss on the abstract, introduction, history of TCP/IP, TCP/IP architecture, protocol security issues, IP protocol security issues, defenses against TCP security issues, and also defenses against the IP security issues. Lastly, conclusion. Abstract. With the introduction to the uses and all-round elaboration of the security issues of TCP/IP protocols, this paper provides a theoretical analysis of the major security problems in the TCP/IP protocol. TCP/IP mainly designed for scientific research has little consideration of security problems in its design. TCP/IP, which is widely applied in practice today, has become the standard for network communication protocols. This paper aims to offer some references for building a secure information network environment in the further futures. The keywords are TCP/IP, security protocol, SYN attack, network communication protocol, method of defending SYN. Introduction. Uh, let's see the overview of TCP/IP protocol. So the TCP/IP stands for a transmission control protocol and internet protocol. It is developed in the late 1970s. TCP/IP becomes the standard protocol suite for networking and foundation of the modern internet. Importance and widespread uses are TCP/IP protocols are essential for enabling communication over interconnected networks. These protocols are used universally for internet, network communication, and facilitating data exchange. So here is the history of a TCP/IP. Early detection. TCP/IP was developed in the late 90s and 1970s by DARPA, means it's a Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency as part of the ARPA NET project. Vint, Cerf, and Bob Can are credited with creating the TCP/IP protocols. Evolution and standardization. In the year 1983, TCP/IP became the standard protocol for ARPANET, replacing their earlier NCP networks, like a network control protocol. TCP/IP was adopted by various universities all over the world and also research institutions, leading to its widespread use in the academic and eventually the commercial sector. Adaptations and growth of TCP/IP by the year late 1980s and early 1990s, TCP/IP was adopted by many organizations forming the backbone of a modern internet. The introduction of the World Wide Web WWW in the year 1990s accelerated the growth on adoption of TCP/IP protocols globally. Here are a key milestone of the year where the TCP/IP protocols were started and used. In the year 1973, the first concept of the TCP proposed by Vint, Cerf, and Bobcan. In the year 1983, TCP and IP become standard protocol for ARPANET. In the year 1990s, rapid expansion of the internet and global adoption of a TCP/IP admin took place. Here are the TCP/IP architecture layers. Four main layers are there. They are like application layer, transport layer, network layer, and link layer. Application layer interfaces directly with users, application, and provides network services. Common protocols are like HTTP, FTP, SMTP, Telnet, and SNMP. Transport layer manages the end-to-end communication between the devices. Common protocols includes like TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, UDP, a user datagram protocol. Network layer includes the handles the routing of data packets across the network. Common protocols includes like IP, Internet Protocol, ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol. And then the link layer includes controls the physical transmission of a data on the network. Types of multiple access protocol: random access protocol, controlled access protocols, and channelization protocols. These are the three main protocols which we'll be using in the to access some protocols in the TCP IP. Security issues of the TCP and IP protocols. TCP protocol security issues includes SYN security issues like flood attacks, sequence number predictions, and IP protocol security. SYN flood attack means exploits the three-way handshake of by sending numerous SYN requests to overwhelm the server. Sequence number prediction means attackers predict the sequence number to hijack a session and inject malicious data. Well, and TCP protocol security issues includes the IP spoofing and man-in-the-middle attacks. Attackers forget the source IP address by bypass security measures and gain unauthorized access. Man-in-the-middle attacks. Attackers intercept and potentially alter communication between the two parties without their knowledge itself. Here is the conclusion of this slide. Well, the security vulnerabilities inherent in TCP IP protocols pose significant risk to network communications, primarily due to their original design, which lacked the sufficient security measures. Key threats such as SYN's flooding, IP spoofing, and a man-in-the-middle attacks highlights the necessity for effective defense strategies. Implementing measures like SYN cookies, IP filtering, and encryption is crucial for mitigating these risks and ensuring the integrity, reliability of a data transmission. Well, thank you. Let's see in the next video.